Strap in and brace yourself for a surprising journey because this is no ordinary video about the health benefits of lemons. In this video, I'll take you where few have gone before. Today, we're unveiling the extraordinary power of how lemons have the ability to revitalize your nervous system. Yes, you heard me right. Lemons are not just a delicious summer drink anymore. In part one of this video, I'll cover the health benefits of lemons, and I'm not just talking about vitamin C. Then in part two, we'll explore the jaw-dropping neuroprotective powers of lemons on your nervous system. These yellow globes of fruit have the key factor to give your nerves a second chance at life. So grab your lemon treats, settle in, and stay tuned. Trust me, your nervous system will thank you for it. Hello, health explorers. If you've been told your neuropathy is permanent, I'm here to help you achieve new levels of health you've never dreamed possible. So make sure to click on the subscribe button for up-to-date and accurate information on peripheral neuropathy and what you can do to overcome it. Also, don't forget to click on that bell to get notified as soon as we publish new content. All right, let's get started. There are numerous videos and blogs touting all the health benefits of lemons with a large emphasis on their vitamin C content. And although this is absolutely true, we're going to look at how lemons support your nerve health and assist in nerve protection and repair. And this has all been backed up by research studies. So let's start with a general recap of the health benefits of lemons. We know that lemons are rich in vitamin C, but here's the reality. Lemons wouldn't be my first choice for vitamin C, and here's why. One average lemon will supply 31 milligrams of vitamin C. Now, let's compare that with the most familiar source of vitamin C, oranges. Now, one orange will supply you with 51 milligrams of vitamin C. So that's probably no big surprise. However, this might surprise you. Did you know that oranges are not your richest source of vitamin C? Let's see what surpasses oranges. One green kiwi fruit contains 64 milligrams of vitamin C. One cup of cooked broccoli contains 100 milligrams of vitamin C. One medium red bell pepper contains 152 milligrams of vitamin C, but the winner goes to the golden kiwi. One golden kiwi contains a whopping 161 milligrams of vitamin C. So our recommendation to meet your vitamin C needs is most definitely the golden kiwi. And I've seen these varieties at Costco quite often. Okay, let's move along with some of the other health benefits of lemons before we dive into the exciting part about how lemons can help protect your nervous system. Lemons are a good source of potassium and vitamin B6. They contain pectin, a soluble fiber which is beneficial for your heart health, reducing cholesterol, and improving your gut health. And they also contain a very strong antioxidant. These antioxidants have been proven to protect your nerves, lower your risk of developing cancer, and provide protection to your cardiovascular system. So now this takes us on to part two. How do lemons protect my nerves? Lemons contain potent compounds called flavonoids that are extremely neuroprotective for both the peripheral nerves and the central nervous system, which includes your brain and your spinal cord. So let's take a look at these. The first compound I'm going to cover is D-limonene, or often referred to as just limonene. This is a compound that is responsible for the way that lemons smell. Limonene decreases inflammatory reactions in the body, especially for the nerves. It also improves regeneration of both sensory and motor peripheral nerves. Limonene has also been found to upregulate the neurotrophic process of the nerves. What this means in simple terms is that it can increase the reproduction of new healthy nerve cells to replace the damaged nerve cells. Now, here's an important side note, health explorers. I want you to understand the difference between nerve repair and nerve regeneration. When we talk about repair, we're talking about patching up a problem. However, nerve regeneration means that damaged tissue is removed and replaced with healthy new nerve cells. That's amazing. Now, limonene is found primarily in the peel of lemons, and it's the main component in the lemon essential oils. The next plant compound found in lemons is Hesperidin. You'll also see it referred to as Hesperidin. Although there's a slight difference between these two molecules, most of the time these terms are used interchangeably. So I don't want you to get confused. Now, these flavonoids have been found in research to protect neurons against cytotoxicity, which is toxic damage to the nerve cells. Now, what's interesting is that the toxicity that damages nerve cells can be induced by different mechanisms. It can be caused by oxidative stress or damage from free radicals. It could come from inflammatory stimuli from pathogens like viruses, bacteria, fungi, or parasites. Other inflammatory stimuli include toxic compounds or chemicals that we're exposed to daily, and even irradiation. Now, this flavonoid not only protects your nerve cells from damage, but also promotes the survival of neurons and promotes new growth in both peripheral nerves and the central nervous system. What I love about this compound is that it's been shown to improve mitochondrial dysfunction, which we see in many of our severe cases of peripheral neuropathy. Now, let's look at another flavonoid found in lemons called Diosmin. Research has shown that this compound is anti-nociceptive, meaning it has the ability to diminish nerve pain and other neuropathy symptoms like the burning, numbness, tingling, and sharp shooting pain in your feet. Now, research has also shown that when Diosmin is accompanied by Hesperidin, like when you consume lemons, it has even a more powerful effect. Okay, the last flavonoid we're going to cover today, and one of the most important, is eriocitrin. Research has shown that eriocitrin can reduce oxidative stress and inflammatory response in the brain and the peripheral nerves. Like many other flavonoids we mentioned, this player can also cross the blood-brain barrier, helping combat neurodegenerative diseases of the brain like Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, and others, along with promoting peripheral nerve health. Wow, who knew this mighty little lemon could be so powerful? Now, clinical studies have also shown that this compound is extremely potent in suppressing oxidative stress and diabetes, which is a major cause of peripheral neuropathy. In fact, research has shown that it plays a great role in diminishing chronic oxidative stress caused by chemicals in food, environmental chemicals, and it has a strong neuroprotective action for the brain and the peripheral nerves. And there you have it, Health Explorers. We've just unlocked the incredible superpower of lemons for your nervous system. Who knew these zesty little fruits could be such a powerful nerve-saving hero? Now, stay tuned for more citrusy adventures, and let's keep squeezing the most out of life, one lemon at a time. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that bell for the most juicy insights into your health. Until next time, my friends, I look forward to seeing you on the road to great nerve health. Well, we received an overwhelming number of people asking if limes have the same healing effects, which is a great question. Both lemons and limes have similar nutrients, but there are a few noticeable differences. For instance, lemons contain more vitamin C and flavonoids than limes. However, limes have higher levels of minerals and vitamins than lemons. For example, limes have more niacin, calcium, iron, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium than lemons. Limes also contain vitamin A, which lemons lack, and vitamin A is important for mucosal membranes like the inside of your mouth, nose, GI, lungs, your bladder, urinary tract, vaginal lining, and the cornea. And it's also important for skin and eye health. Now, although lemons may have more flavonoids than limes, it doesn't mean that limes are slacker in the antioxidant category. Limes contain many more antioxidants than just the flavonoid family. They are comprised of limonoids, camphorol, ascorbic acid, phenolic acid, and quercetin. All of these are very powerful antioxidants. So limes still pack a powerful antioxidant punch. Now, this is extremely important for many systems in the body. The metabolites in limes are antibacterial, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. Okay, let's look at the lime's effect on your nervous system. We've already mentioned that limes are rich in antioxidants, which are important compounds that defend your cells against molecules called free radicals. In high amounts, free radicals can damage any cell in the body, but your nerve cells are especially susceptible. The brain is especially at risk from being harmed by oxidative stress because it uses large amounts of oxygen, which can result in free radical formation when there aren't enough antioxidants to squelch it. This can be a significant problem for people following a carnivore diet if they're not taking antioxidant supplements. Although a carnivore diet carries health benefits when used short-term, on a long-term basis, many people following this diet become severely deficient in antioxidants. So the question is, can limes prevent this damage? Well, let's start with the central nervous system, which is the brain and the spinal cord. Limes contain a significant amount of antioxidants that can cross the blood-brain barrier and directly protect neurons against oxidative damage, inflammation, and the accumulation of amyloid plaques commonly seen in Alzheimer's disease. Next, limes contain powerful flavonoids like Hesperidin, areocitrin, and naringin, all of which have been proven to provide neuroprotection. So they can actually protect brain neurons from damage and from neurodegeneration. In 2020, researchers from a study out of Thailand found that lime extracts protected brain cells from damaging effects of high glucose consumption and elevation. Another study published in 2021 confirmed the neuroprotective effects of flavonoids in limes. Researchers also found that polyphenols improved brain health and cognition while reducing systemic inflammation and free radicals. Although the limes have a small amount of folate, studies have shown that it plays an essential role for the synthesis of neurotransmitters in the brain that are crucial for mood regulation and cognition. Limes and the peripheral nerves. Now, let's look at the impact of limes on the peripheral nervous system. Well, you may have heard how vitamin C is a critical component of collagen, which we typically associate with youthful skin. So it might surprise you to find out that your peripheral nerves are dependent on collagen for their health as well. Collagen is essential for the repair and maintenance of the myelin sheath, that is, the protective coating that surrounds nerve fibers. Healthy myelin sheaths will ensure lightning speed nerve impulse transmission throughout the entire peripheral nervous system. The vitamin C found in lime plays a critical role in this collagen synthesis. Now, some may say, I can get more vitamin C from eating red bell peppers or kiwi than I can get from limes, and you would be correct. But there are other antioxidants that you'll find in limes that support your peripheral nerve health. Important flavonoids found in limes like hesperidin, naringin, and lemanoids protect peripheral nerves and their mitochondria from inflammation and free radical damage. These compounds reduce oxidative injury to DNA in nerves and other cells in the body. Further studies have shown that these flavonoids, such as camphorol, reduce neuroinflammation in both the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Studies have shown that both hesperidin and camphorol in particular have strong neuroprotective effects on the ability to support nerve regeneration. Now remember, we mentioned earlier that limes contain more minerals than lemons. Well, minerals like potassium and magnesium found in limes are crucial for nerve signal transmission, regeneration, and repair. But the benefits of limes don't stop with the nervous system, though. There are several studies that have shown that limes support your immune system and can help prevent infection due to their antibacterial properties. They've been shown to improve glycemic control, which is another way to say they support healthy blood sugar. They can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. In fact, in 2019, researchers altered the diets of rats to increase their cholesterol. They then fed them the essential oil extracted from limes and examined their cardiovascular biomarkers. Researchers found that lime oil lowered total cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol in just 8 weeks, along with reducing obesity, plaque formation, and fatty liver in the rats. Limes also aid in digestion by increasing bile flow, which will ultimately reduce liver and gallbladder congestion. In fact, if more people drank lemon and lime juice every day, there would be far fewer instances of gallstones and kidney stones because both lemon and lime juice can dissolve these stones. Now, you're probably wondering, how many limes should you consume a day? Well, just 1 lime a day will provide you with all these amazing health benefits we talked about today. So, health warriors, you can see limes offer an arsenal of nutrients ready to serve and defend your nervous system. But I do want you to remember, there is no single magic bullet when it comes to food. Your food choices provide the foundation for your nerve health. But much like building a house, you need more than just the foundation. So, incorporate limes into a balanced and varied diet that includes a wide range of low glycemic fruits, tons of non-starchy vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and very few grains. Now, before I go, I have a small favor to ask. It's our mission to create a neuropathy-free tribe around the world, and we need your help to do this. If you've enjoyed this video, please like us and share it with others. The most frightening challenge for most neuropathy sufferers is feeling alone and hopeless. Together, we can help others realize that they don't have to live a life of misery and they're not alone. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on that bell to get notified as soon as we release our next video. Until next time, my friends, I look forward to seeing you on the road to great nerve health. Put the lime in the coconut and drink it all up. Say, doctor! Don't record that. Alrighty. Okay, let's get started. And can help prevent infection due to their antibacterial properties.